CipherLab Mobile Computer Cleaning Instructions. Warning: wear protective eyewear before use. Refer to warnings on alcohol product labels. Avoid contact with high temperatures and open flames when using any alcohol-based products. Preparation: lint-free cloth or fiber cloth. Cotton swabs. Compressed air canned with a nozzle. Recommended cleaning solution: 75% ethanol solution. Harmful components that can damage plastic on the device include acetone, ketones, ethers, aromatic and chlorinated hydrocarbons, water-based or alcohol-based alkaline solutions, ethanol, amines, toluene, trichloroethylene, benzene, coal tar, and TB solubilizing components. Before cleaning the device, turn off the device power and remove all accessories, such as batteries, hand straps, or snap-on charging cables. Do not directly apply ethanol to the device. Pour ethanol solution onto a lint-free cloth or fiber cloth. Use compressed air to blow away all dust on the device, including the display, microphone, casing, camera, data charging ports, and headphone jack. Wipe the casing and buttons with a lint-free cloth or fiber cloth moistened with ethanol. For small areas that cannot be wiped with a cloth, such as the microphone, headphone jack, and data charging ports, use a cotton swab moistened with ethanol for cleaning.